Hello, good day, and welcome. I'll be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 31. The payment system where wages are paid higher than the normal payment for doing an extra work is called A. Commission bonus, B. Flat rate, C. Piece rate, D. Premium bonus, and E. Time rate. Now, there are different forms by which wages are paid. And the question says the payment system where wages are paid higher than the normal payments for doing extra work is called dash. Then for us to pick the option, let's analyze each of these options to know the correct answer. Now option A says commission bonus. Now commission bonus is simply based on the total number of sales made within a given period of time. That is, commission bonus is based on what? It is based on the total number of sale made within a given period of time. Made within a given period of time. That is, the higher the sale, the higher the commission, and vice versa. So commission bonus is just this wage is simply based on the total number of sale. The more the sale, the more the commission paid, and the lower the sale, the lower the commission. Now B here says flat rate. Flat rate. Now flat rate, in terms of flat rate, there's a fixed amount of wages to some categories of casual workers. There's a fixed amount. A fixed amount is being paid to categories of casual workers. To categories of casual workers who were employed at the same time. Who were employed at the same time. Who were employed at the same time with same skill and with equal estimate output per period. With same skill and equal output. So we call this flat rates. The type of payment whereby a fixed amount is given to categories, group of workers that were employed at the same time, providing the same skill and equal output at a period of time. Now see here says piece rate. Piece rate. Now piece rate is the amount received or paid based on based on the work done. That is, it is equal to the work done. The amount paid or received must be equal to the work done. That is the concept of piece rate. That is, amount paid or received is equal to the work done by the worker. That's piece rate. Now this is premium bonus. Now premium bonus here, wages are paid. In terms of premium bonus, the wages are paid based on a standard time allocated to a specific job. That's in terms of premium bonus. So these wages are actually paid based on a standard time allocated to a specific job. And in this system, every time saved attracts a bonus payment. That is, when an extra work is done, it attracts bonus payments because all the work is done at a standard time. Now when a worker goes extra mile to save time, it attracts a bonus, and that is why it is called premium bonus. Now E here says time rates. Time rates attracts a given amount. In terms of time rates, it attracts a given amount based on the time of the job. That is based on time taken to complete the job. It can be what? It can be based on hours, can be based on minutes or daily. So there's a particular amount that's been paid based on the time taken to complete this job. Now the question says the payment system where wages are paid higher than the normal payments for doing an extra work is called, and that is option D, premium bonus. Because in terms of premium bonus, when time is saved or when the worker goes extra mile to do the job outside the standard time, that is saving time, it attracts an extra bonus. So the pay will be higher than the normal payment because an extra work is being done by this worker, and that is premium bonus, option D. Thank you and God bless you, and subscribe to our channel for more videos.